Good day everyone. We are BSBA Marketing Management, Group 1, and for today's online class, we will present the 8 components of communication. These components are very important in understanding how information is shared and how people connect with each other, especially now that much of our communication happens virtually. Sender is the person who creates and starts the message. For example, Mrs. Garcia is the sender. She wants to teach her class about economics. Encoding is the process of turning ideas into a message. Mrs. Garcia prepares her lesson and explains it using words and visuals. Message is the information being shared. The message is the lesson about economics that Mrs. Garcia delivers to the class. Channel is the medium or way the message is delivered. Since this is an online class, she uses her voice, a PowerPoint presentation, and video conferencing tools as channels of communication. Noise is anything that distracts or interferes with the message. For example, poor internet connection, background noise, or students not muting their microphones may cause noise during an online class. Decoding is the process of interpreting the message. The students listen and try to understand the lesson about economics. Receiver is the person or group who receives the message. In this case, the students attending the online class are the receivers of Mrs. Garcia's lesson. And lastly, the feedback. Feedback is the receiver's response to the message. The students give feedback by typing in the chat, using reaction buttons, or answering questions during the class discussion. That concludes our online presentation about the 8 components of communication. We hope you were able to understand how each component plays a role in making communication effective, both in face-to-face and online settings. Thank you for listening and staying with us here in our online class. This has been BSBA Marketing Management, Group 1.